Today we have a SP Pavilion G4 laptop, and this laptop problem is display problem. Here is a vertically straight line, and you can see this, and sometimes it's work properly and sometimes it's creating problem, and you can see this right now is showing problem. And I will check some basic component of this laptop and let's see what happened. And internal circuit is okay, and here is a Windows opening sound we hear, and forcefully shut down this laptop. Let's at first I will open this display, and here is the one screw. After opening two screw, just open this here. Okay, display is open also. After opening this, we just put this here. Here is another one. At first I want to check this display is okay or not. Just open this cable from this here. Open. Okay, I have one display for checking this. Okay, let's connect this connector. Okay, connect it. I will put this here. Okay, let's power up this. Yes, our laptop is ready, and this display is working perfectly. After changing the display, white screen problem is solved. Okay, you can see this. This is perfectly working. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching. Let's check it how long it can be stay.